This video is for Governor Soludo. Governor Soludo, I want to bring this video to your attention. Biko, if you're watching me, please, I would like you to share this video as you are joining. Biko, Governor Soludo, I will take this complaint, and it's a very heavy one. 2020, 2021, 22. I started fighting against Ndedibia because I know they have deceived a lot of our youths. It's because of my condition now, Mary. People like us are not getting. All with the tools, Mbuputere Ndedibia. Now complaining to the world. Ndedibia may go our youth ife. Because Governor, I'm kneeling down to beg you. Please, please do not relent. Please, Governor, do not relent because please make sure everything all equal come to reality. Because I will carry this assignment by myself. I need to revive it because I have done it before. So this movement must surely be revived. Because bring out people that will foresee this movement. And also Governor Soludo, another thing in because when the people Ndedibia na this blew up. And when the people usually deceive our youth. Number one is J-Pack. J-Pack used his platform to deceive many youths. J-Pack usually had to convince youth that Akwa Okuko among social media. Akwa Okuko was not made until J-Pack brought Akwa Okuko on this blue app. J-Pack is the architect and the foundation of this calamity. J-Pack also told us that Ndedibia, majority of Ndedibia, Oriela Kanono. So, J-Pack is the foundation. And another one is Okongudibia. They brought out and the Waga G called Wagara G. Many of them that brought this impunity, that brought this arrow, that brought this abomination to our youth and deceived thousands of youths as Kamoha in the name of Agamagoroge Okite, Agamagoroge. Please, our governor, Gina Chulaha, na Chu Ndepubutarea, may have the more popular than ever. J-Pack is the problem. All young with the main problem because to Saran video Akuru, Governor Soludo. Governor, I have been an advocate of Ndedibia, that they have been deceiving our youth. They've been using it as a source of income. People that knows me will attest to this. They will testify what I just said. I'm coming back with a bulldozer to continue that movement. Please, Governor Soludo, may you live long. It's quite unfortunate that I went to Nnewi a couple of weeks ago. I was ashamed. You know the kind of situation on the video. I'm with the billionaires. I'm with the people. I'm passionate. It can Nnewi. It can any Naiju and now damage. Things say Kuchiri. Then Nnewi are Hakala. Equaka can rule. Iron den Nnewi the Keba Boras. Now I'm with millionaires. Eba Mama today in Anambra State will not Nnewi. It only we are she won your Nnewi. And we are but their rules are terrible. But Governor Soludo, you have started to build that road from the Nnewi. Now I have to give it up to Ndozoboro. I throw away salute for now. Big respect Big time respect to Bishop Ozuboro. Let me remember this guy. Abaranze and many other billionaires in Ozuboro. Go and look at Ozuboro. See how they are fixing it. Last week or 2 weeks ago that I went to Ozuboro. If it's not this situation, Akrami say video. Magumu. Anambara. Look at Ozuboro security. Very tight. Ndame on their road constantly. And we only na be distract. And you get pattern today na be make kidnapping na Ozuboro. Other possible. Go out Chineke. Look at Ozuboro security. Very tight. Ndame on their road constantly. And we only na be distract. And you get pattern today na be make kidnapping na Ozuboro. Other possible. Go out Chineke. I'm coming back for more opening eyes. You should sit up. I went to Sumeni, my town. Come and see how people, individuals, are building roads. Go to Amici. People bring out their money to build roads. And then they will become. Is it not about time you guys start doing the same? Go to go and see what they are doing. Kudos to all billionaires in Ozuboro. Man, I respect you guys. You won't do too much. And then we, my people, we need to do better. And I guys, you don't look at old houses. You got to know we here and megi. Here and megi. But people we actually, amaka mi here na nita. Amaka mi here na zebra. Onya parina newi. My dear, it's all about you don't know. Gameshi no bunu. And we put all this thing I'm facing now. I can make a video. Video Zobro, video Sumeni Bani, video Benato, video many places. I'm from Anambra. If you don't know, we need to open people's eyes. Far for if and then is about time. That is DK Juno man. But you guys should thank that man because Governor Peter Abata refused your own Governor Obialo refused because carry all their anger. Cool one down or your governors go measure bone. I know one then but I am happy to see what Ozubros are doing, what Osumeni are doing, what Amici are doing, what other part of Anambra State are doing. It's about time we do the needful. Thank you for joining.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.